I'm Rachel and I'm from Tentworld at Tweed Heads, and today we're going to be talking about the Cam-O-Bunk by Disc-O-Bed.
As you can see, this bunk is well suited for 2 full-size adults. It has a weight rating of 227 kilos per bunk, a length of 201 centimeters, and a width of 70 centimeters. The unique contour design of this bunk allows it to shape to your body, giving you a more comfortable sleep without the need for a mat.
This bunk is constructed of a powder-coated anti-rust steel frame, rounded bed ends to alleviate ground sinking and damage to tent floor. As you can see, it's got these handy little storage pockets which allow you to store things such as your water bottle, a magazine, a torch, or even a little snack. But the cool thing is they're also removable if you no longer want them. The bunks come with 2 of these great little carry bags, 1 for each bunk. They weigh about 15.5 kilos each, or a combined total of 31 kilos. Another cool thing about these bunks is how versatile they are. You can also use them as 2 single stretchers or turn them into a lounge. Which is great for daytime use. So this has been the Cam-O-Bunk by Disc-O-Bed. If you've enjoyed this product, come in and check it out at one of our 13 great locations, or jump online at www.tentworld.com.au.